Hi guys, I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I hope you guys are all doing well. I know this period of time things is a little bit crazy. Most of us are stuck at home, but let's look at the brighter side. We can do more of whatever we want to do, and I'm actually having more time to film for you guys. So it's been quite some time since I sat down in front of camera, film a review video, but this video is going to be super exciting because I'll be reviewing the brand new Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out collection, their cream bronzer and cream blush. So if you guys want to know like more about the products, the review, swatches, demo application, tips and tricks on how to use like cream products on your face, then just keep watching. But as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page at dainty-beauty, and don't forget to leave a comment down below for future upcoming videos. Like this video if you enjoy it, and just keep watching. So first of all, of course, if you guys haven't seen the packaging of this, which is all over social media, this is it. It is super pretty. So these are the Cheeks Out Freestyle cream bronzer right here, and also this is the cream blush. So this one, the cream bronzer, is 145 ringgit. It comes in 6.23 grams, and this is the cream blush, which is 96 ringgit, and it comes with 3 grams. And the first product I'm going to talk about is actually the cream bronzer right here. And as you can see from the swatches on the screen itself, I received 3 beautiful shades right here. The first one is Macchiato, the second one is Honey Glaze, and the third one is Toffee Tease. So from the 3 shades in comparison, the Toffee Tease is definitely the darkest one, and I have tried Toffee Tease at a few areas like really to deepen up the contour, but I've been reaching so much for the Macchiato and Honey Glaze itself, because like if you see the Honey Glaze is actually more warmer. So if you want like a beautiful bronzy glow, Honey Glaze will definitely give you that. And for the Macchiato one, it really like helps to bronze and contour at the same time. For me, Honey Glaze is much more kind of everyday kind of thing, and then like Macchiato is definitely something like an event you want to go to, you want to be like chisel and contour. I really love that 2 shades. And just a reference for you guys, I'm actually in the shade 300 Neutral Tan in Fenty Beauty Foundation, just for you guys to just compare to my skin tone itself. And talking about the formula itself, so this formula right here, it's very blendable. Why I say so is because I have not many experience on using cream bronzers itself, because most of the time that I use cream bronzer or tried to use them are actually in the stick form. Like for example, previously the matte stick in the shade Truffle. So this one right here, it's much more solid, it's much more harder, it's not as blendable as this. The cream bronzer is so blendable. I actually use the concealer itself, so darker color of concealer I just blend. But this one right here, this formula, the cream bronzer itself, it's nothing I've tried before. It's very blendable. Like I'm just gonna swatch right here for you guys. You can see it's on my finger, and you can just like blend, and it just gives that subtleness, which I absolutely love. Because sometimes most of the time I feel that I'm actually very like scared to use cream bronzer, because little bit really goes a long way, and most of the time you are very scared to like mess it up because of how pigmented it is. Maybe it wouldn't blend so like nicely. These cream bronzers from Fenty Beauty are actually super blendable. It builds up very nicely on the skin itself. And as you can see from the application side, I like to use a brush and stipple on the product itself. Why I don't recommend swiping it, because most of the time you'll be moving the foundation underneath the cream bronzer, and as you stipple the product, you can see it slowly builds up. This product right here really like builds up very nicely. As I said, not only blends nicely, if you want it to be a little bit more darker, you want it to be more like pigmented, you can slowly build it up. It won't be totally matte because it's a cream product. It's not shimmery or not glitter, but it just gives a very nice glowy, like everyday fresh kind of look. And as I said, I like to use brush, but if you guys want to use sponge as well, you can go ahead. And if you guys don't have this particular brush right here, you don't need to purposely go out and buy it. You can use like a foundation brush which has like a rounded top or slanted top like this. It also works very well to stipple on the product. Or another brush recommendation I would like to show is this one right here. This is the Sephora brush, and this is the Pro Flawless Airbrush right here. You can see the size of the brush itself. It's like pinch at the head right here, and it's just the perfect size for you to just like stipple on the product, and just the cream bronzer will blend so nicely together. And as you can see, like the application just now I showed, I blended all the way here, my forehead, and also like my jawline area, and it looks very even. It just feels very nice, and I really love the formulation of this. Alright guys, so moving on to the cream blushes right here. As you can see from the swatches, there are 10 beautiful gorgeous shades for the cream blushes, and most of people will be seeing like, oh my god, the shade is so crazy, so pigmented, and like it's very out there. But honestly you guys, I already tried all 10 of the cream blush shades, and oh my god, I myself and is so surprised that actually all of them really works on the cheeks, on the eyes, on the lips itself. And of course, because you are like most of the people buy the reason for like cream blush itself, but honestly all of the blushes shades right here work so well. I don't know about many other people's skin tone, but for my skin tone, really most of them work so well on my skin. And later on I'll be sharing like some of my favorites, but it just blends so nicely. Blushes are actually one of my favorite makeup products, and I am so happy that Fenty Beauty came out with cream blush instead of like powder blush, because I have a lot of powder blushes. I love them, but I didn't know that this formulation of cream blush, it's so good that glowy blushes are my absolute favorite, because I just love the cheeks look so blushy and glowy. It's so youthful, it's so cute in my opinion, and I really love it like so much. And as for the application, you can see from the video itself, I showed you guys two ways of using the cream blush itself. The first one is actually using your fingers. That is the most fastest, easiest way for this formula to just blend on your skin. This formula is also just melts into your skin. It's absolutely stunning. And if you want to use your sponge as well, like if you're lazy, you don't want to use your finger, because like finger, you need to take time to like blend the product in because your fingers are like super tiny. But if you want a faster, quicker application, you want to just like go out throughout the day and you just need like a sponge, just dab and you're done. Because it blends so well, it literally takes no time to just blend everything together. I also tried using a brush to it. You can use a blush, but for me, I really love like either using your fingers or using your sponge itself. But so among these 10 shades of blushes itself, some are shimmery and some are like completely matte. The most obvious shimmer one is actually the first shade, which is called Fuego Flush, and it's a beautiful like orangey shade. And this one right here, it's like shimmery that you can really see the specks of glitter. So I actually like to use it like to apply at the cheeks right here. I'm just gonna like apply a little bit, you know what, why not, like just right there. So you can see it's like a little bit of an orangey flush, which is very pretty, and it's just a little few like specks of shimmer right there. And another famous shade for the blush collection is actually Summertime Wine, and this Summertime Wine is absolutely like stunning right here. It has a little bit of like shimmer inside it, but honestly once you blend it out, I can't really see the shimmer itself. It still remains like very like glowy. It won't feel like sticky or like not comfortable at all. So why not? We're just gonna add a little bit more. This is the shade Summertime Wine. I'm just gonna smile like just like that. So as you can see, it's just like the pigment itself is there, and this color really is like a summertime wine. It's like the natural flush itself, and like this color is very pretty. Like I can see this color working for so many different skin tones, even super deep like skin tones. I think this can be a very nice color itself. Sorry if like my cheeks are imbalanced, but blush review, it's gonna be like that. And how about how long it lasts on the skin? Of course, we are at home right now, so I can't really say like how it reacts to like humid weather or any single thing. But the thing is, I've been wearing this makeup for about like 5 hours already, and I can still see that my blush is peeking through. My bronzer is still there, but I didn't pile up so much. But if you can see the before and after, this definitely you can see that the bronzer is still there. But for you guys, like maybe some of my days as well, I can get like super oily throughout the day. Some days I'm just like super dry, like it's like a desert on the face right there. Everything starts to peel, which cream product is amazing for that, because you no need to pile on like so many powder products that can make your face very dry and cakey. But the bronzers and cream blush, because of the formulation itself, it won't make your face look super cakey because of how effortlessly it blends. But if you have like oily skin, or you get oily throughout the day, to like prolong the wear of it, I actually recommend you guys just like taking a little bit of powder. You can see I have powder right there. I'm just going to show you. You can just powder your skin a bit. So as you can see, the shine here, it's more, and here it's still have, but it's toned down. So what this can do is actually to just prolong the wear of the blush itself. Don't worry if you really like the kind of healthy glow and you have oily skin. Of course, we all like experience that. If you have oily skin, you just want to like feel glowy, want to be in the trend, but you don't want the makeup to be sliding off of your face. Just use like a very fluffy kind of brush and just that. Don't swipe it or like put it too hard. Just lightly dab, and use a powder that is very light, like a translucent powder, and you can see that it looks so nice. Oh my god, I actually love the look of it itself. So you can see it still have the glow there. Your blush shade itself is peeking through as well, and the bronzer shade is peeking through as well. So for you guys who have oily skin, don't be afraid to try out this formula as well, because as I say, you can easily powder your skin and like not looking so cakey, and it still looks super nice. I think I'm gonna like just powder a little bit, because with all the filming lights, it might look a little bit crazy. Yeah, the time has come. I cannot turn on to one or two, but actually I have 4 recommendations. The first one I actually already mentioned itself, Summertime Wine, and the second shade I highly recommend is this one right here. This is called Crush on Cupids. Oh my god, I think this will be my go-to shade compared to Summertime Wine. Summertime Wine, I feel like at night or I'm going for an event, I really want to be a like super bomb blushy look, I would definitely go for Summertime Wine. So as you can see, this is Summertime Wine and this is Crush on Cupids. You guys, this Crush on Cupids is absolutely amazing, especially for my skin tone, and I believe like for even like lighter skin, maybe deeper skin also, it blends so well and it gives such a beautiful pinky like glowy cheeks. And this is seriously, I think this is really one of my favorites. And the third honorable mention is this one right here. This is in the shade Petal Popping. So this one is definitely my second favorite, because like some of the days, especially in the morning, if you feel like you don't want too much makeup, you don't want too much blush, you just want something like to make yourself feel very fresh but not over the top, this one is very beautiful. So this one, as you can see right here, it's much more subtle in color. It's, I think, one of the lightest one. As you can see, it's quite light, but it gives extreme beautiful like glow to your cheeks. I know I'm adding a lot of blush, but the glow and also like the color itself, it's really so pretty. I feel like this color, it's a dainty color, you know, a dainty kind of color. It's so cute. And last but not least, this shade right here is called Cool Berry. So this color right here is very unique. That's why I wanted to mention it, because like even the purple itself, or this like berry color itself, people will be like, how does that work? I don't know whether it will work or not. But honestly, you guys, this shade right here, it's so pretty, and I am seriously shocked of how pretty it actually is. And I actually love to use this shade on my nose itself. So I'm gonna show you guys. Just gonna take a little bit right there, and like I'm just gonna blend it out. I know it might look ridiculous. I'm just gonna use my sponge. Just blend. Like, I feel like this shade is like, just if you want like a sun-kissed kind of look and you feel like very kind of innocent, kind of like cheeky, likey. Oh my god, this shade is very pretty. I don't know why, but I feel like on nose itself, or maybe like even on the cheeks itself, is so pretty. So that's it for this video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this in-depth review video of the cream blush and also the cream bronzer itself. I really do enjoy like the two products, especially I can't choose which one I like more. I feel like I really love the cream bronzer because of how effortless and also easy to use, because I've always been like super afraid to like dive into cream bronzing, but it's just so easy. And the blush itself makes your cheeks super glowy, super youthful, and I believe like these two products is definitely a must try. And I hope you guys like have a try. If you have already tried it, let me know in the comments down below which one are you liking, which shade are you loving the most. And yeah, once again, thank you so much to Fenty Beauty for sending these products over. Of course, they sent me, but it's not a sponsor video. Everything is my honest review, and I actually really enjoyed this product, as I've been saying this entire video. So yeah guys, again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to film another video for you guys very soon. So if you have any video requests on video review products, please leave in the comment down below, and please do like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.